Hey, good afternoon, guys. I just want to show you guys. Hey, I just zoomed to these places. I'm looking at this guy. There's two buildings here that I'm wishing. I want to do a pool like that in my house. You see that one in front there, that one there. I want to do it. There's another one here, but this one is this guy is this guys. There are some people there swimming. Let me zoom it. Yeah, there's some people there swimming. Yeah, I want to do a pool like these guys in my house. Yeah, this is what I want to do. Hey, these guys, look at the building, guys. Look at the buildings. Look at these buildings. Look at these buildings. Look at these buildings. Look at these buildings. Yeah, yeah, ah. Look at these buildings, guys. Look at these buildings. 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 Yo. And I just zoomed the area, guys. I just zoomed the place. Look at the cars are passing. Alright, let me just take it back. Yo. Guys. Yo. Yeah, no. I just want to take a glimpse of this area.